today I will show you how to install the machine and how to operate. This is the handle and the connector here. Before we connect the machine, just make sure you connect it well. The pins is connected to each part here. When you hear the sound of click, it means they connect well. How to add the water into the machine, and now I will show you guys. Firstly, we need to find a funnel and a tool which connect the overflow hole here. Connect it. Connect the overflow hole here and then uncover the water flow hole. And then we need to use clean water to add into the machine. Until the water coming out from the overflow hole here. Now you can see it is coming out now. It means the water is enough for using. Then we uncover the water hole. Then cover back the overflow hole. And there's a third hose for the wastewater. You can release it like every 20 days a month. If frequently used, you can change it like 30 days a month. And this is the power supply. This is a key switch for turn on and turn off the machine. This is the power switch. When something emergency happens, then you can press it, the machine will automatically stop. As you can see in the interface here, the setting, you can change the language into English. Then we enter the interface. And this is the multi-function IPL machine, which you can see. There's hair removal, skin rejuvenation, pigmentation therapy, vascular therapy, acne therapy, and this is the SHR, faster hair removal. Each treatment has the different filters to change. For this machine, we have 5 filters to change it. Different filter have different function. For example, the hair removal, we use the 360 nanometers the filter to do the treatment. You can adjust it, the IPL and the RF. Usually the energy of IPL should be higher than the energy of RF. This is the cooling level. You can adjust this like this. And usually, before we do the operation for the hair removal, we need to wear the goggle for both operator and the clients. For the skin rejuvenation, we use the 530 nanometers for the skin rejuvenation. And there's also, you can adjust the IPL and the RF here. Usually we don't need to adjust this part, it's just a system setting, you don't need to change it. The pigmentation therapy and the vascular therapy is also use the 530 nanometers filter to do the treatment. The acne therapy is using the 480 nanometer filter to do the treatment. You can also adjust this. The energy usually we suggest from low to high according to the feeling of your client. If your client can bear a higher level of energy, then you can set it to a higher. This is the faster hair removal. It means that it's usually used on the leg or your arm, the big areas, to do the faster hair removal like this. Unlike the hair removal here, it is like a spot-to-spot hair removal. Hey guys, and now I will show you how to operate for the hair removal of this machine. Before we do the treatment, make sure we shape our body hair in like 3 days. 3 days. And then we will prepare the two goggles for the operator and the clients, just to protect our eyes. Before we do the treatment, we need to adjust the energies from low to high until the client cannot accept the energy. There's a frequency we can adjust this. Adjust the frequency. It's like it depends if you wanted to move it faster, then you can adjust it to higher frequency. There is a snow. It's the level of the cooling. Now you can see the handle is already cooling down, so you can see it here. We put it the 640 nanometers for the hair removal. Apply the gel. Apply the gel on the treatment area. Press the ready button and the light is on, as you can see. First we need to smooth the gels all over the treatment areas. This is we use the faster hair removal for the arm. You can spot to spot to do the treatment or faster hair removal like this. Can you accept the energy? If the client can accept it, then you can higher the energy. After the treatment, we need to clean the treatment parts. Well, some clients might ask how often should I do the hair removal to achieve the best effects? Usually it's like 21 days for one treatment. 21 days for one treatment. After 21 days, then you can do the next treatment for the hair removal at the same area. Before the treatment, we need to shave our body hair in 3 days.